absolute Northern Soul floor filler classic from 1972. Instrumental rhythm and blues with a great hook. Probably more famous for being sampled by Fatboy Slim in his track Rockafella Skank. So to kick things off, we're going to form the bar chord of G major, which sits on the 3rd fret of the guitar. We'll then keep the same shape and we'll move all the way to the 6th fret and play a B flat. Moving another whole step or 2 frets along to fret 8 with the same shape, we now have C major. So with the strum pattern, I'm going to introduce 2 variations. The first one being easy, the second one being a little bit more advanced. Strum number 1. Strum number 2. With the chorus, there's only 2 chords. The first one being D major, which sits on the 5th fret of the guitar, and we're forming the A major shape as the bar chord. The second chord being E minor. So we move along 2 frets or 1 whole step and we form an A minor shape with your bar finger on the 7th fret. Again, there's 2 different strums you can use for this. An easier version. So the way I like to play the chorus, the rhythm for the chorus, is kind of in a offbeat skank style. I like to press down and release the strings so it gives it a nice clean cut off sound. So let's take a listen to what we've got so far. Now if you're a beginner guitarist and you're not quite comfortable with bar chords for now, you can use one open chord shape throughout the main body of the song. That being an F shape, but we're going to place it on the 3rd fret. And when I say F, I mean F major, which sits on, in this case it's going to be string 1 and 2, fret 3, string 3 on fret 4, and string 4 on fret 5. Making sure we play from the 4th string all the way down to the 1st. This here is a slight variation on the G. We can then move this up to fret number 6 for our B flats, and then we can move up to fret number 8 for our C major. For a simple rhythm, you could just do quarter note strums all the way through. Keeping in mind that the G is going to be 1 bar, the B flats and the C are going to be half a bar each. And a simple version of the chorus would be D major open and E minor. And then on to the fun and iconic solo parts, which for those of you who are familiar with pentatonic scales is in the key of G minor pentatonic.